people, from elders to youngsters, and somehow inspired each one of us. Dear brother, in spite of all the bittersweet moments we shared today, we have come to a stage where the cruel time has vigorously reached with its winged chariot to split up our paths. Hoping in our Father's pre-planned part, as we have prayed, everything there is a season and a time to every purpose under the heaven. Brother, we have nothing but prayer that God will be with you to guide you through in your path that He has chosen for you. We might not see eye to eye in everything and wish to turn back the hands of time, but we had experience here and we beg pardon for anything done amiss.
Yang